So we're on our way to the liquor store because we're going to see if we can find a cocktail in a can. Liquor, liquor, liquor! Oops. That was not good. Over here?
Over here, my lady. You might need a basket. There's a basket right there.
BuzzBallz. No, we don't need a basket. We've got you.
Would it kill you to carry something?
Hey there, you guys. So today what we're going to do is we're going to be tasting cocktails that are pre-mixed in a can. All right, so what do we want to do first?
Rum and ginger.
Rum and ginger.
And do you know how much these cost, by the way? 4 of these, $13.99.
So what does that make each?
A little over $3.
Not bad.
Yeah,
Not bad.
that's not bad. All right, it just gets better and better.
You first.
Real nice.
Ooh, I'm not too sure. I'll let you try it first.
Oh, you taste the rum though. Wow.
Can you?
Yeah. It's pretty good, actually.
Yuck.
It's really refreshing to drink it from a can too.
No. Okay, so rum and
3
cola. 3 sheets?
Yep. Do not shake.
All right. You can go first.
It smells like a cola. Yeah, it's a rum and coke.
I
Wow.
can't drink that.
Okay, well let me ask
So
you.
gross.
Let me ask you a question. Do you normally drink these drinks? Do you normally drink a rum and cola or a gin and tonic or a rum and ginger?
No.
Okay, so it's a bit of a stretch for you anyway. I'm loving this. I think this is great. Let's move on to gin.
Okay, so I like gin.
You
so,
like all of these.
So maybe this will be one that I'll like. What's in it?
It's an Old Grove gin with natural cucumber
Ooh.
and grapefruit flavors.
Oh, perfect. Because
that?
I love those.
It
I
is
love those.
carbonated though, so don't shake it.
Okay. All right. Here we
Classy
go.
straw. I'm going right to the can.
Okay.
It's my style.
Here we go.
Oh, you just went for it.
Oh, I like that. I can definitely taste, although the straw has to go.
I don't like gin. I don't like gin.
You don't like it? I'll take that
Woo!
one for you.
I'm going back to the rum and coke.
Oh, yeah.
I am not a gin drinker.
But this is really good. It's got the cucumber. You can definitely taste that. Really refreshing. I could definitely put that over ice. You know,
Okay.
yeah.
Go for it. All right. I'll put these in the Kelly pile. Should we do the Long Island iced tea? I love Long Island iced tea. Well, I used to. I actually don't know if I love it anymore. But let's
Okay.
try.
This is a really small can. It's how many ounces are in there? It looks like maybe 6 ounces.
Sure.
About 6 ounces. So, and how much did this cost?
This one was $4.99. Though we got it on
Wait,
sale
wait.
for $3.79.
$3.79 for this little can. One can.
There's
one can. $3.79.
4 alcohols
There's
in here.
This is $4.
In New York, this would cost you $18.
This is $4. This
I'm
little.
gonna open it.
Look at this teeny tiny can.
I'm going in.
What do you think?
Took my breath away. I mean, it's good. You're paying for the convenience of popping and sipping.
Okay. So maybe
It's quite
$4
worth it.
is not that bad.
I don't.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
And you really taste the lemon. Oh, I shouldn't
Okay.
ruin it. Go ahead.
Okay. I can't do that. That's gross.
I mean, do you want to sit? Do you want to rinse it down with some gin and
Yes.
tonic? My problem with the can is I just want to take big gulps. I just want to.
That's really good. Do you like that?
I don't mind it.
Maybe this would
But-
taste better if you put it on ice and maybe put like some lemon in it or something like that, but then you're defeating the purpose of the fact that you should be able to just pop,
Sip and go.
sip and go. BuzzBallz.
Balls. I have balls. Balls.
No, BuzzBallz. No. No.
It's BuzzBallz. BuzzBallz. Why didn't you just say so? How cute are these?
These, actually,
These-
they're really cute.
Are amazing.
Yes, we've got
Lotta Colada
Lotta Colada
and Tequila Rita.
and Tequila Rita.
2 of my favorite drinks. BuzzBallz. I love it. I was
You
excited.
just like to say
What?
BuzzBallz.
That might be part of it. But in all reality,
BuzzBallz.
these are fun balls.
BuzzBallz.
And when you said they were women owned, I mean, that's just a bonus.
Yes, woman-owned company.
Let's support the women and drink some BuzzBallz.
Absolutely. All right, which one are we gonna do first? Let's do the
Let's this
tequila.
one. We've been drinking together for too long. Oh, wow.
I think that this is gonna be different because it's not shaped like a regular can.
So it'll be better for you?
Well, yeah, because your mind's not thinking like bubbly, right?
It's just thinking balls.
Yeah. What do you think?
Oh, that's good.
Wow.
That's really good.
That's strong.
It's like the perfect mix.
Wow. I think out of all of the cocktails we've tasted,
This is the best.
the best. Absolutely.
By far.
And
I can't wait to get into that other ball.
And it's fun to say. Oh, wait. Shake first.
Oh, it says shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. How much were these, by the way? Can I ask? Because you paid, I just carried.
$4.99. Oops, sorry.
Got that in my eye. Ooh,
That's really good.
it's really tropical.
That is, okay, this is the number one.
I gotta
Today.
tell you, number 1 and number 2 is the tequila
Oh my
ball.
God, these things are really amazing.
How did we not know about these sooner?
BuzzBallz. We have one more.
Oh,
Okay. I found these peaches and cream twisted shots. So,
why stop now?
I know it. All right, so this is what they look like.
Oh,
Okay, so we have basically a shot with 2 different types of alcohol in it. Let's give it a try.
should have wore a bib for this.
I know.
Oh,
So I don't get it. How do you?
I think I'm gonna be honest. I think you have to put your whole mouth over it and throw it down your throat.
Really?
I can't imagine you can't sip it.
Look at this. So basically, the plastic inside is twisted.
Hence the name Twisted Shots.
Oh, I get it.
1,
Oh.
2, 3.
Whew.
Ooh,
That's sweet.
That's good.
How much were these little guys?
Good question.
Don't remember. BuzzBallz, BuzzBallz, BuzzBallz. Long Island iced tea. Oh, they were $6.29 for 4. How much were these?
Just a little under $2 each.
Yeah, that's not bad for a shot.
Not bad.
Well, that was a successful taste test.
It was. It was. What was your favorite?
The BuzzBallz.
Which one?
I would have to say I'm a tequila girl, so this is by far my favorite.
Cool.
But great backup right
Cheers.
there. Cheers.
So if you want us to taste something, comment below and we'll give it a try.
We
Yeah.
sure will. Thank you.
We shouldn't actually be mixing, should we?
No.
We've been mixing a lot of alcohol right now.